When we think about how our friends in Chicago survive the winter, and we brainstormed how plants, animals, birds survive the winter, if one of you thought of the word migration, good one, because that's exactly what some of our bird friends do. They migrate. So migration has a lot of different meanings. It means the movement of people, the movement of birds and animals, and that's what we're going to talk about right now, is the migration of birds. So birds seasonally move locations for breeding and wintering so they can find food. And that's exactly what our friends, the piping plovers, are doing right now, along with many other bird species. So what they do is they come here to these bird and butterfly sanctuaries to breed and have their offspring, and then they head south. And last year, Monty and Rose went to Texas and Florida, and they ended up coming back here to Montrose within the same day, although one of them was in Florida and one of them was in Texas. Scientists are studying exactly how migration works. We still don't know all the specifics. It's a fascinating miracle of how our neighbors, the birds, survive in the winter. And birds aren't the only species that migrates. Our butterfly friends, the monarch butterflies, also migrate. Where are they now? Does anyone know? I'll tell you. They are in Mexico. The monarchs travel all the way in between Canada, the United States, and Mexico. And when they get to Mexico for the winter, they stay in these huge bundles. There are over sometimes 1 million butterflies in one bundle, and they populate all of these trees, and it is a sight to be seen. Now, one important thing I want to tell you about migration is that they have these major highways, or these routes that birds take. And Chicago is along the Mississippi Flyway. And that's the major highway that the birds and insects use in the Chicago area. And they stop right here at the Magic Hedge at Montrose Point to get food, to rest, and to forage, so they have enough energy to make it through their migration route. And that's why these places are so important for us to take care of.